Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will read the story of Lord Vishnu third avatar, Varaha avatar. Varaha avatar. Once Lord Brahma created four boys, saints Sanka, Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanant Kumar. One day they decided to visit Lord Vishnu and set out for his abode at Vaikunt. Vaikunt had seven gates. They crossed six gates, but at the seventh, gatekeeper Jay and Vijay stopped the saints and did not let them enter. So the boy cursed them to be born as demons on the earth. Thus, they were born as the demon brothers, Hiranyakashyap and Hiranyaksh. Hiranyaksh prayed to Lord Brahma and asked him to bless him to never be killed by any human, god, or demons. Lord Brahma granted his wish. Thereafter, Hiranyaksh ruled like a tyrant. So Lord Vishnu assumed the Varaha boar avatar and challenged Hiranyaksh to a fight. Hiranyaksh agreed but was eventually defeated as he could win only over a human, god, or demon, but not over an animal. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.